Welcome all. 36th District Court, State of Michigan is now in session with the Honorable Judge Shannon A. Holmes presiding. During this Zoom court proceeding, there will be no gum chewing, eating, drinking, smoking, or talking. Also, you're required to be dressed appropriately for court. No do-rags, hats, pajamas, low-cut tops, spaghetti string tops, or underclothes should be visible. If you have any additional electronic devices, please silence them or turn them off now. Thank you all in advance for your compliance, and good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, and good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
All right. We are going to start off with introductions. Mr. Reed, if you could place your appearance on the record.
Yes, thank you, Judge. Good morning. For the record, Jesse Reed, Drug Court Defense Attorney, P 23863. Judge, I'd like to make a motion, a continuing motion, that my appearance be for all of my clients this morning. Thank you, Judge.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Reed. Good to see you. And your motion is granted.
Judge, if Mr. Fikens is not in the courtroom, I did talk to him. He is in conference with Mr. Walker regarding a business license case. I don't know if he's in the courtroom or not, but he said he would chime in as soon as his conference with the city attorney is over.
Thank you, Mr.
All right.
Oh, you're here. Okay. You're there. I didn't see you. I wasted all that. Okay. I'm sorry.
You were doing so well, Mr. Reed. I didn't want to interrupt you.
Okay. Thank you,
Honor,
Mr. Fikens.
Thank you. Your Honor, Robert Fikens, P 31894, Drug Treatment Court Defense Counsel. I too would make a similar motion as Mr. Reed.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Fikens. Good morning to you. And your motion is granted. All right. Ms. Robbs.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ebony Robbs, Drug Treatment Court Case Manager.
Good morning, Ms. Robbs. All right. And Ms. Cleveland.
Morning, Your Honor. Toshi Cleveland, Case Manager for 36th District Court.
All right. Good morning, Ms. Cleveland. And we also have Mr. Yancey in the courtroom.
Good morning, Your Honor. Cliff Yancey on behalf of Sobriety Court, Your Honor.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Yancey. All right. We are ready to get started. Who has Ms. Cross's case? Who's the case manager? Ms. Cleveland?
Yes,
That's
I do,
Ms.
Your
Cleveland?
Honor. Yes,
All right,
ma'am.
very good. Before we get started, there's a Miss Thomas that's been in and out of the courtroom. Good morning, Miss Wilson. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Attorney Fikens or Reed, were one of you able to speak with the prosecutor regarding Miss Thomas?
Not yet, Your Honor. We texted over the weekend. I was asked to call her at 8:30 this morning. I did. I got a message, so I'm waiting for a call back from the prosecutor.
All right, very good, very good. Okay, let's get started with Ms. Cross. I have the following case numbers for Roberta Cross. Case number SP 923033, counts 1 and 2. Somebody has a really bad connection. Give me 1 second, please. I need to mute everybody. Yeah, I just muted him. All right, very good. I have the following matters: SP 923033, counts 1 and 2, in case number Z8060891. Ms. Cross, can you unmute and state your name for the record, please?
You have to unmute, Ms. Cross.
Okay. Hello,
Yes, we can hear you.
Roberta Cross.
All right, good morning, Ms. Cross. How are you today?
I'm fine. Good morning.
Good morning. All right. So, Ms. Cross, we had an opportunity to staff your case. And let's see, Ms. Cleveland reported you didn't have any issues and you appear to be back on track. Is that correct, Ms. Cross?
Yes.
Very good. Tell me what you've been doing since the last time I've seen you.
I've been doing the Zoom meetings and counseling and the drops that I'm supposed to do.
All right, you are back on track. Tell me what's going on in those Zoom meetings. What have you learned?
That you can fall off the wagon, but it's just up to you to pick yourself back up and start all over again. And starting all over again is not as hard as you think it is, but it's hard, but it's possible, and you can do it.
It's possible and you can do it. Very good. That's a good thing to learn, Miss Cross. Very good. How's the counseling going? Are you being open and honest with your therapist in counseling?
Yes. Well, they started me off with this one lady, but now they trying to find a new therapist right now. So when I go next week, well, tomorrow actually, I'm supposed to get a new therapist. So I'll see how she works out.
Why are you getting a new therapist?
Because the one that we had, she failed some kind of test. So I had to get a new one.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, let's hope that it's a good match for you. Okay. And I want to encourage you to keep an open mind and still continue to work hard. Okay.
I will.
All right. How's the family doing?
They're fine.
They're doing fine? All right. Very good. Very good. Anything that you've had difficulties with since the last time we've seen you that we can assist you with?
No, I just wanted to, well, I asked Miss Cleveland to let me know when they take the next trip up to the Ames meeting.
Oh, to the sobriety weekend in Howell?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, because you still have that left to do?
Yes.
All right, very good. Very good. So Miss Cleveland, make sure we let her know the next time there's a sobriety weekend available to her so that she can go and participate.
Yes, Your Honor, and it appears too that they have transportation now.
I can barely hear you.
Oh, let me see. Hold on. Oh, I'm all the way at 98. Can you hear me now? Hello?
Yes, it's a little bit better.
Okay, sorry about that. I don't know. I might need new headphones, but they do have.
No, I'm not able to hear you.
Let me try to do this.
That's better.
Is that better?
It's better.
Okay. I'm gonna try again. I'm sorry, Your Honor. Can you hear me now?
I can.
Okay. No, I'm saying to Ms. Cross that it appears that the transportation to and from ARMS was successful this weekend. So I did get his chance. So they will have a way to get up there into the physical site. So that's good.
Wonderful. All right. And when is the next sobriety weekend?
I believe it's in June. I'm going to make contact with Mr. Henry up there and find out for sure when the next one is scheduled, because I want to make sure Ms. Cross is there because she has completed everything. I think I'm waiting for her to do the session with Dr. Alexander. I don't know if she did that one yet.
You're very faded. I don't know if it's because your hand is over the microphone, but I'm having a hard time hearing you.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
That's a little better.
I think it might be the actual microphone might be breaking. So I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to unplug it.
I still can't hear you.
Can you hear me now? No. Oh. I might have to sign in and sign back in because this is not working. Mr. Moore. Can you hear me now? I'm sorry.
That's a little bit better.
Okay. It might be because the headset is not working well. I might have to get a new headset.
Okay.
It might be out.
So let me just ask a few things. For Ms. Cross, has she completed her community service?
She was working on the community service. Ms. Cross, do you have any paperwork for me on that one?
I do have it, but I did complete it, but I'm not at home, so I don't have it with me, but I do have it.
Okay.
Okay, we need to know that. And then what about alcohol highway safety education? Ms.
For-
Cleveland?
For Dr. Alexander, she said that she had to complete that one. I don't think she had gotten in touch with.
I can't hear you.
No.
I'm gonna have to, we'll have to come back. So this is what I'll do, Ms. Cleveland. These are things that we can, I can check off in staffing because I just need to update my, I'm purging my records from home and all of those things. And so, yes, we'll have to just update those things. My main concern is that she's back on track. She's doing everything that she's supposed to do, and there are no issues, and she doesn't need the court to facilitate anything. Is that correct? All right, very good. All right, Mr. Reed, Mr. Fikens, anything else? Anything on Ms. Cross?
Yes, Judge, thank you. Ms. Cross, congratulations. You got a good report today. You look good. I think you're in a good place. We're proud of what you're doing. We know it's not easy. But you're doing a good job. Keep up the good work and be safe. Can you hear me, Judge?
I can hear you, Mr. Reed.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
All right.
And Your Honor, if I might add, Ms. Cross, I'm glad to see you're back on track. You're doing a great job. You seem to have some understanding about how it's not about falling down, it's about getting back up, and you've done it, ma'am. So we're proud of you. Keep up the great work.
Thank you.
All right, very good. Ms. Cross, you have any questions for me or for any members of the team?
No. Well, actually, you, Judge. You said you would have me drop for 30 days for the 3 times a week, and it's been 90 so far. So do I go back down to the 2 days a week?
Are you ready to go back down to 2 days a week?
Yes, I promise you, yes.
Can you handle it?
I can handle it.
All right, Ms. Cleveland, what's your recommendation? 2 times a week? Yes, okay, I see your fingers. All right, very good. Any objection, Mr. Reed, Mr. Fikens, or any of the other team members?
No objection,
No
Judge.
objection? All right, I'm going to reduce your testing to 2 times a week, random. And so make sure you still call every day. If they say test, go and test, and then you let Ms. Cleveland know, okay?
Yes.
All right, very good. Any other questions for me?
No, but the Dr. Alexander man, I'll try to get in touch with him this week and do his class.
Okay, all right, very good, very good. You're back on track. I'm very proud of you, Ms. Cross.
Thank you.
All right. Ms. Cleveland, when do you have Ms. Cross coming back?
April 5th, 2020.
And would that be for face-to-face?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So then that'll put it on the docket for 9:30. Until then, Ms. Cross, continue to work hard. Of course, if you need us prior to April 5th, you can always reach out to Ms. Cleveland or dial into the courtroom, okay?
Okay.
All right, good to see you.
You too, thank you.
All right. Mr. Fikens, have you heard anything back from the prosecuting attorney? Did I lose Mr. Fikens? Maybe he did. Maybe he went to talk to them because I don't see him. There's Mr. Fikens. Mr. Fikens?
Hi, Judge. I just received a phone call from Miss Walker. She needs to call me back in a couple minutes, and then I'll have some word for you. So I'm going to, with the court's permission, leave the Zoom hearing at this point in time and attempt to talk to the prosecutor.
That's fine, no problem. Thank you, Mr. Fikens, and Ms. Thomas, thank you for your patience. Soon as he's ready, we'll call your case. All right. All right, let's keep going. If you're not in your hearing, I'm gonna ask you to place your phone on mute so that I'm placing you on mute. Please do not unmute until it's time for your case to be called. I am ready on Mr. Franklin, Kenneth Franklin.
Hey, Judge, how you doing?
Hey, I'm all right, Mr. Franklin. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
You're
I'm making it.
smiling. I think you are good.
I'm making it.
You making it. State your name for the record.
Kenneth Franklin.
All right, I have the following cases for you today. U509-90819, U557-35120, case number 184989371, case number 18044277701, and case number 190444130. Mr. Franklin, what's that smile all about? What you happy about on a Monday morning and it's cold outside?
I'm just feeling good. You know, I ain't had a drink in over 90 days now, and I'm good.
Come on, let's celebrate 90 days. Let's do it. You on your way, Mr. Franklin?
Yep.
And you feel good?
Feel great. I've been making.
Tell me a little bit about that feeling.
I've been making my meetings and my groups. I've been doing a lot of work around here for the past. Been spending time with my family, and that's about it.
All right, very good. You been being nice up at Lake Ridge?
Yeah. I'm one of the head guys here now.
You one of the head guys at Lake Ridge?
Yeah, I'm level 4.
All right, that means you setting examples for people. Good morning.
Yeah.
You setting examples for people.
Real good examples.
I'm proud of you, Mr. Franklin. I am. Now you told me that you feel great. Tell me a little bit about that great feeling. What feels great?
My health, my freedom.
Your health?
My thinking.
Yeah. Those are all things that kind of line up and function the way that they should when you're alcohol free, right?
Right.
How's your mom?
Right. Oh, she's great.
Have you been to see her?
Yeah.
Is she happy to see you?
I go see her like twice a week.
Is she usually happy to see you?
Yeah, she happy.
That's good. That's good. What were you gonna say, Mr. Franklin? You were about to say something else?
No, I wasn't about to say nothing else.
All right. They treating you well at Lake Ridge?
Yeah. Yeah, they got everything straightened out now. Did have a little problem at first with the food, but they took care of it the next day after I talked to Ms. Robb.
Okay, good. Very good. So you said something about it in a nice, respectful way, and they fixed it.
Yeah, they took care of it quick.
All right, wonderful. I'm glad to hear that. You have any questions for me this morning, Mr. Franklin?
No.
No? All right. I think last time, didn't you tell me something about you were trying to look for some work? Did you tell me that?
Yeah, I was supposed to be working at the VA, but he couldn't really get me in. He said he only can get me in for like one day on the weekend. So I didn't take that. You know, I had messed my elbow up too. I think it's broke. I gotta go see.
You messed up what?
My elbow on my right arm.
Okay. Have you asked for?
I gotta go see the bone Dr. Wednesday in Dearborn.
Okay.
I fell down off a ladder or something, and it kind of messed it up.
All right, well, get that elbow taken care of, okay? All right. Ms. Robbs, what do you want to tell us about Mr. Franklin?
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Franklin is doing really well, Your Honor. As he reported, I received a progress report from Mr. Williams at Lake Ridge, who indicated that Mr. Franklin is indeed being a leader and helping others in the community, as well as being a positive influence. He's compliant with his testing, all negative screens. He's compliant with Central City for his medications. He's compliant. He's been referred, Your Honor, to Care Inc. to do classes in lieu of arms with Dr. Alexander. He has completed all requirements for his community, his 40 hours of community service, as well as, Your Honor, I need to look at his the balance of his costs and fines, as he's submitted 61 additional hours towards his fees. He has a total of 26 AA meetings that he's doing virtually. He's been spending more time with his mom, daughter, and granddaughter, and he's been linked with family reunification with Miss Griffin. He's doing really well, Your Honor. I have no issues to report at this time with Mr. Franklin.
All right, Mr. Franklin, that's a great report. I'm glad to hear it. All right, Mr. Reed, Mr. Fikens, thank you, Ms. Robbs.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Ms. Franklin. Great report today. You look good. You're working the program. I know you're proud of yourself because we are proud of you. And the last time we talked, you said you had to learn patience. And I think you have learned it. You learned that you have to work the program to get something back, and you're getting a lot back. Keep up the good work. Stay safe, Mr. Franklin. You're in a good place. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
If I might add, Your Honor, Mr. Franklin, yes, you've made great changes and you have shown considerable patience in that which you do. Keep up the great work, sir, because we are proud of you. Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Franklin, anything else you want us to know?
No, that's it. I just want to get this arm checked out. I really don't want no cast on it, but they said they might have to put one on. That's what my primary doctor was telling me. But I'll see what's happening Wednesday.
All right, now don't you go in there trying to tell them what to do. You let the doctor be the doctor, okay?
Okay.
Okay, because you know how you do. All right, Mr. Franklin. They say put a cast on it, you just put that arm right there so they can put a cast on it, okay?
Okay.
All right, very good. Are you going to any classes at Lake Ridge?
I go to classes Monday through Friday.
All right, I'm just making sure you're going.
3 times a day.
All right, are they helping you?
Yeah,
That's helping you?
Mm-hmm.
Good. I'm so glad to hear that. All right, Mr. Franklin, we'll see you back. Ms. Robbs, when do you have Mr. Franklin coming back for face-to-face?
Yes, Your Honor, March 29th.
March 29th?
Yes, Your Honor, 2021 at 9:30 a.m.
Sounds good. All right, Mr. Franklin.
9:30?
You have that date?
Yeah, 9:30, March 29th.
Yes, sir. All right, we'll see you then. Take care of yourself.
All right, you too.
All right, bye-bye. Okay. Mr. Fikens, I see that you have come back.
Yes, Judge. And might I go into a breakout room with Ms. Thomas to discuss what the prosecutor and I talked about?
Yes, yes, I will do that now. There was another person that was on. I don't see them anymore.
And Your Honor, I would also ask Ms. Drew if she's online, if she could send a copy of the ROA for Ms. Thomas to Prosecutor Walker.
I sure will.
Thank you.
Okay, let me see what happens. I did something. Too much. All right, you all will receive an invitation to breakout room 1, Ms. Thomas and Mr. Fikens.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, do we have anybody else on this morning? I just lost the whole thing. Okay. Ms. Thomas, you should bring in breakout room number 1. All right, I'm gonna call the remainder of the docket. I have the following for Kimberly Porter, Z8060571. Who has Ms. Porter's case?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ross, did you conduct your face-to-face with her?
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Porter is doing well.
All right, very good. What is her return to court date is April 5th, 2021 at 8:30?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, wonderful. I have case number 000-658-3201 for Scott Schwab.
He's doing well also, Your Honor. His return to court date is April 5th as well, Your Honor, 2021.
At 8:30, wonderful. Did you conduct a face-to-face with him?
Yes, Your Honor, I did this morning.
All right, wonderful. And then I have case number 1904653-301 for Dominique Walters.
She's doing well as well, Your Honor. I conducted my face-to-face on this morning as well.
All right, and he's returned. Dominique is a woman?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, I thought you said he. I'm like, I thought that was a woman.
I said she.
All right.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
All right. All right. I have her returning on April 5th, 2021 at 8:30 a.m.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Very good. The only other matters, Ms. Cleveland?
I didn't know if you missed. Can you hear me okay today, right now?
Yes.
Much better? Okay, because I had to restart it. But Miss Pilar Mocklin was on for a face-to-face today, but she is a transfer case. So I didn't know if you.
She should still be on the docket.
Yeah.
Yes. Can you place her case number on the record for me?
Yes, Your Honor. It's 18-N6213.
All right. Did you conduct that face-to-face with Miss Macklin?
She asked me to call her later on today, but she is back from traveling out of town and compliant with all those things that she was supposed to do.
That's what I need to know. Wonderful. What is the return date for Miss Macklin?
April 5th. Sorry about that.
April 5th. No problem. 2021 at 8:30 a.m. Did I miss anyone else on the docket other than Miss Cook?
No, ma'am.
All right. All right. And so it's my understanding that Miss Cook is supposed to be in court today. Who has Miss Cook's case?
Ms. Cook is a face-to-face judge.
Oh, she is a face-to-face.
Yeah,
Oh,
Mr. Griffin called me.
wonderful. Let me place her case numbers on the record. Z785139 and case number 195061811 for Deandra Cook. What's her return to court date, Ms. Drew?
Okay, her return to court date is April 5th.
All right, April 5th, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. All right, I have one last matter, and then are we prepared to? Ooh, it's only 9:00. I don't know if you all are prepared to staff this early. I don't know.
Yes, Judge.
Well, I know Mr. Reed wakes up in the morning ready to staff, but I was speaking about everybody else, Mr. Reed. You are always ready to staff.
Yes, Judge.
All right. There was another young lady on. Did she just disconnect? And that name looked very familiar, like someone who had been on my docket last week.
I see you, Mr. Fikens.
Go sit down before I whoop you.
Don't whip him on, we streaming live, don't whip him. I'm gonna have to testify against you.
I thought I was on mute. Oh, God.
Y'all gotta check. Are we ready to proceed?
We are, Judge.
Okay. Give me 1 second. I keep trying to send this.
Get that coat and bring it to me. Come here. Thank you.
All right, I am ready on.
Good morning. How are you? Put it on.
I'm gonna have some coffee this morning. You know I don't even be drinking coffee, but on the weekend. Isn't that terrible? I only drink it on the weekend. But I want a cup today.
My brother passed the night.
He did. The babies are good too. Okay. Mom and grandma. Okay, good. All right. I am ready on the following matter, U51098019. Ms. Thomas, if you could unmute and state your name. Come on, Ms. Thomas. We can't unbraid your hair while you're on the camera. You're going to stop for just 1 second. Let's get you squared away. All right.
Sabrina Thomas.
Good morning, Ms. Thomas. All right. Mr. Fikens.
Thank you, Your Honor. First of all, I want to thank this court for allowing me to speak to the prosecutor this morning. We had a good discussion about this case. The prosecutor indicated to me, Ms. Walker, that she would like to contact the officer in this matter, Officer Alan Williams, to determine what their next steps are going to be. She has not been able to get in contact with him. She doesn't know his schedule at this point, Judge. And so rather than hold us up and wait, I would ask if this court wouldn't mind scheduling this matter for a bench trial, realizing that the prosecutor would either give us an offer or maybe be willing to dismiss the case. I don't know. I'm not trying to speak for them when I say that, but we would ask for a bench trial date at this time, Judge.
All right, very good. I will do that. I'll grant your request. Please establish that your client understands her right to a jury trial and that she is requesting a bench trial in the event that you all are not able to resolve this matter. You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Thomas, you understand that in this matter, you have a right to a jury trial, correct?
Yes.
And you wish to waive that right and have this matter heard, if it's going to be heard at all, by the court, and that means by the judge, correct?
Yes.
And you're making this decision, are you making this decision freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
No one's forced you into this? I haven't promised anything or threatened you in any way, have I?
No.
Okay, I'm satisfied as to her constitutional waiver, Judge.
All right, wonderful. I will continue the not guilty plea. I'll set this matter for a bench trial. Ms. Drew, that reminds me, we need to reset that jury trial. Okay. Give me 2 weeks out for a bench trial.
The 29th.
All right, March 29th will be our bench trial date. And we'll be ready to go, or people will have to recharge. March 29th, 2021. I'm going to put it on for 8:30, Mr. Fikens. And then if Ms. Thomas gets on early like she did this morning, hopefully you'll have an answer. Mr. Fikens, if you all are able to work this out prior to that bench trial date, I don't have an issue with you walking it onto my docket earlier. Okay?
I appreciate that. Thank
All
you.
right, very good. All right, Ms. Thomas, enjoy the rest of your day. Don't whip that baby, especially don't whip him on YouTube in court. All right. Have a good day. We'll see you in 2 weeks.
You too, thank you.
All right, bye-bye. Okay. Thank you, Jeffrey. I'm glad everybody's good in your family. Did you test? No, you don't need to.
I wasn't. I don't go.
I laughed at you all weekend about that.
Good.
All right, I'll see you later. All right, everybody. That ends the morning. And so did you all, somebody reach out to Mr. Morgan about what time for staffing? While I have everybody.
He said whatever time you'd like to have, Judge.
I mean, are you all ready? I guess is my question. Because I have things I can go in my chambers and get done. And I have a meeting at 11:20.
Defense stands ready, Judge, whenever you are.
Of course, Mr. Reed has already indicated that he was ready at 8:30 this morning to do staffing.
Judge, if you want to do it at 9:30, give everybody a half hour or so, or 15 minutes, 9:15.
9:30, that'll give me a chance to get down to my chambers and pull my stuff together.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, can we do 9:30?
Yes, Your Honor.
Does that work for everybody?
It does.
Mr. Yancey?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, wonderful. I will see you all in the Zoom courtroom at 9:30. Thank you, Ms. Wilson, for your service. I appreciate you.
You're welcome. I appreciate you too.
All right, okay. Ms. Drew, so what I'm gonna have to do is, I don't think I can log in downstairs. Wait, last time, did I have an issue?
I don't know, but you left this on last time. I muted it, and then we turned this off. But you
Okay.
did leave this on, and then
You muted it where nobody could hear, because you all can't
Nothing
be
was
a
on.
part of,
anything.
staffing.
No.
Okay, all right,
Nothing was on.
then that's
We
fine.
heard a couple dinging, but that was just people coming in. You know when it dings when people come in.
Right,
That's the only thing.
Okay.
They're coming out of this.
okay, so I'm wondering, because somebody's gotta be the host. So let me go in from here.
Turn this off.
I
If you
think-
want to, we can keep that up.
Yeah, I will. I'm going to,
You can do it in that home.
make myself the host. Wait, how do I do this? I'm gonna make me the co-host. Give me 1 second. Do you want to change the host to me? Yeah, and then when I get to chambers, I will. Wait, y'all took me out.
You still on there. You should be, you're the host. You're still on, and you.
This is my phone.
Oh.
Y'all took me out. My other one is my this picture.
Because if you log in.
Oh, maybe it's just, I'm on here. I'm okay.
Two of them up, it's two up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay, so then I can make myself the host when I get upstairs. Okay, now I'm ready. We all discombobulated, but we got it together. Good morning to you. I'm well. Tell me your name.
Sierra
Strother. You said her name all wrong, officer. Strutters. Struthers. He's like, I have a hard time pronouncing Miss Struthers. How do you spell it?
Strathers.
Miss Struthers. All right, well, welcome. I'm glad you're coming to work in here. Hopefully the officer has given you some good pointers. believe most of them. And and the rest just kind of play it by ear. But no, I'm glad you're here. We hope to get back to full capacity soon. I hope so. Not a full room, but just full capacity.
But I'm happy to be here. It's an opportunity.
All right, learn everything you can, just in case, he's not here or what have you. I have a very open door policy, so if it's something that I'm doing, you need me to do different, I don't have an issue with you letting me know. I mean that. I fuss a lot, but my bark is worse than my bite. I be fussing. People get on my nerves. I get on my nerves. My husband get on my nerves. Everybody get on my nerves. So I fuss. I do, but I do. Don't take my fussing for I don't listen. I fuss, but I do listen. And I apologize when I'm wrong, right, Mr.
Yes, you do.
I do. I come back. I will eat some crow in a heartbeat because I be all wrong. I do. I be all wrong. So I'm glad you with us.
Thank you so much.
All right. What you got for me? I'm going down the chamber.
So one that we were going to schedule for jury trial. Be scheduled for a final pre-trial on the 18th. Do you want this is the jury trial. Then we were going to reschedule it.
Right.
Do you want us to have a final pre-trial?
Can you send out a notice? Let's reschedule the final pre-trial.
Okay.
And reschedule the jury trial.
Okay.
And I think they said no jury trials until June.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it for a date in June.
Okay. That'd be perfect.
I don't
And
even
I'll
have.
help and I'll send out all.
Let me tell you when I can't do it, because I have some training I'm doing in June. I know I got some stuff in June. Oh, the 21st, 22nd, 23rd, can't do it.
21st, 22nd, or the 23rd.
Right, so make sure block out those dates for me.
I put a calendar right here, I got a calendar on.
Okay, cool. And then I need my dockets for the 23rd to the 25th, because I have some training that I'm supposed to do, and they didn't notify me of it until the absolute last minute. And so I'm gonna ask the case face to face on that day. I need to see if I'll schedule. All right. Oh, it's not bad.
It's not bad. The last page. That's bad.
About that. All right. Oh, I didn't go off live. Hold on. Oh, we still on live. Have to do it from my other. Oh shoot! I don't know how to go off live.